Yeah, so my name's Aaron Holmes, and I'm a aerospace engineer and a manager of a good aerospace company.
That's very impressive. Nice.
Thank
What
you.
made you get into property?
I think it was the amount of work hours I'm doing at the minute compared to what I could be doing in property, and obviously having a lot more fun in property. I think it made a lot more sense for me than, spending a couple of hours a night after work struggling away.
And tell me how the experience of the week has been so far.
It's been pretty good. Met quite a lot of people, got a couple of contacts going as well, a couple of friends as well that I keep after. They'll stick around, I think.
And in terms of what you've learned,
In terms of what I learned, I've definitely learned a lot. I think I'm a lot more interested, and I've actually joined the academy as well. So I think I've learned enough to push me to join it. So hopefully I'm here for the long run.
so your friend said that you were a bit against the academy in the first place.
I was a little bit, because I kind of thought, maybe I can do it myself. But I kind of took a step back and thought, why struggle to do it myself if there's other people that are more than willing to help? So I thought, go on then. No complaints so far, so it's all good.
100%. So in terms of Samuel and the team, how's it been working with them?
Yeah, no, I've met Sam. Sam's an unreal guy as well. I met another guy called Tyrone, who's the one that managed to convince me to come in the academy, and I'm hoping he'll be my mentor when I get through the academy.
Amazing. And what advice would you give to anyone who's looking to get into property?
Now's the best time. So I think, don't overthink it. Just make a move, because now's the best time to get into property, it seems. So
And do you think there's value coming into the courses?
definitely. I think I see a lot of value in it, which is why I kind of made the jump and went for it.